In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find broken links on a competitor's site with Semrush. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for, so you can quickly uncover broken internal and external links. Plus any 4xx errors like 404 pages on a competitor's domain. We'll use Semrush's site audit as the main method. Start by opening Semrush and navigating to the SEO section, then choose Site Audit. This is where you'll run a crawl that scans a website and flags technical issues, including broken links. Next, create a new project for your competitor's site. Click Create Project, enter the competitor's domain, and start the audit. Semrush will begin crawling their pages just like a search engine would. Depending on the size of the site and your crawl settings, this can take a little time, so give it a moment to complete. The tool is thorough, and that's exactly what we want. When the audit finishes, go to the Issues tab. This is your dashboard of findings, neatly grouped so you can jump right to the problems that matter. Here's where we'll zero in on broken links. Use the search or filters to surface the items you need. Look for broken internal links to find links on the site that point to other pages on the same site but no longer work. Then check broken external links to spot links that point out to other websites but return an error. Finally, review 4xx errors, especially 404 pages, which indicate content that's missing or not accessible. These categories together give you a complete picture of link-related problems. Click into any issue to view the details. Semrush will show you the source page, which is the page where the broken link lives, and the broken URL itself, the destination that fails. This pairing is powerful. The source page tells you exactly where the problem is visible to users and crawlers, and the broken URL shows what's failing. You can open the source page and the broken link in new tabs to confirm the behavior and understand the context. That's the full workflow. Open Site Audit, create a project with your competitor's domain, run the crawl, head to the Issues tab once it's done, filter for broken internal links, broken external links, and 4xx errors, and then review the detailed source pages and broken URLs. With this approach, you'll quickly identify the most impactful link issues on any competitor's site. You now know how to find broken links on a competitor's site using Semrush. Thanks for watching.